So you want a way to make grass without any particle system? Easy. See what we have here is a nice-looking grass without any particles, no crazy subs, and fully procedural. With this one node, you can control the same settings you will find in particle systems from the scale, the rotation, the distortion of grass, with shadow control based on normal and UVs, and it's so light that won't affect your scene no matter how big the area you drop it on. This one is available for free on this Gumroad page, the MR Row Lord, which contains some quite awesome tools, and the one we need is down here called Parallax Strands, free as you can see and super easy to get, but you can always support the creator if you want, and try to read what's in the page. Then you can go to download the file inside, and this is what you will get once you open it in Blender, but you probably won't to use it in your scene. So whatever you have for grass, say like this terrain, which has 0 materials, I can go to File, Append, choose the Blender file we downloaded, then in the material, pick the one named Parallax Grass, and you will have it on your scene. So just pick it, change the scale to fit the size you're working on. And here you have it. No extra geometry, no systems, and can be cast on simple plane if you want it on a background far from the camera. That's it. Have fun with it. Check out this video where we made grass using sculpting tools. Stay sharp. Goodbye.